Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson V11 smells funny and is losing suction, you're not alone. This issue often arises when filters become clogged with dirt and debris, or when there's a blockage in the system. If you don't address this promptly, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver, a replacement filter, and possibly a soft brush to clear any debris. Let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off, exposing the internal components. The main culprit for the smell and loss of suction is usually the filter, which is located just inside the device. Check for any visible blockages or excessive dirt around the filter area. To extract the filter, simply pull it out gently. If it's heavily soiled, this may be the source of the unpleasant odor. After removing it, take a moment to inspect the filter for any damage. If it looks worn or damaged, it's best to replace it with a new one. Insert the new filter back into the designated slot, ensuring it's seated properly. While you have the device open, take a moment to check for any debris in the hose or brush bar, as these can also contribute to the loss of suction. If you find any blockages, use your soft brush to clear them gently. After you've ensured everything is clean and the new filter is in place, it's time to reassemble your Dyson V11. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws securely, but be careful not to over-tighten them as this can damage the casing. Now, plug your Dyson V11 back in and turn it on. Check to see if the suction has improved and if the funny smell has dissipated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean or replace the filter every few months, depending on your usage. Additionally, regularly check for blockages in the hose and brush bar to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.